in this problem we're adding, and when we add, we need to have a common denominator. Now if we look at our denominators, they actually look really, really close. So actually if I have x minus 8 and I have 8 minus x, the second denominator is actually just the flip of the first denominator. So to change the second denominator so it's the same as the first denominator, I'm going to multiply this by -1. Because what that'll do is it'll make a negative x a positive x and a positive 8 a negative 8, which is what I want. But whatever I do to the bottom, I'm going to have to do to the top. So my first fraction is going to stay the same. My second denominator is going to flip, and my second numerator is going to become -11. Now that I have a common denominator, I'm going to get 3x minus 11 as my numerator. And since that doesn't factor or simplify, that would be option C. You could have also gone about this the opposite way, and you could have changed the first denominator. So if I wanted to change the first denominator to make it the same as the second denominator, I would have done the same thing. I would multiply this top and bottom by -1. So I got -3x over 8 minus x plus 11 over 8 minus x would be -3x plus 11, or 11 minus 3x over 8 minus x, which would have been option B. So in this case, actually C and B were both correct.